You're gonna be under arrest. Turn around.
Okay.
There's no use for this.
If they just handcuffed him and took him, I don't know what to do. Can you please specify what agency is taking him?
I came to the
please?
United States believing in the premise of freedom of expression, of democracy. Clearly, a lot of that did not really prevail. During my arrest, of course, there was fear. I was calm because I did not do anything wrong. I was just a Palestinian student at Columbia who cared about the humanity of my people.
This is not a matter of simply violating university rules. This is a movement, an anti-war movement.
I basically protested a genocide.
Troublemakers, they're agitators. They don't love our country. We ought to get them the hell out. I think that guy, we ought to get him the hell out of the country.
The Trump administration is repressing voices because they want to achieve authoritarianism.
What they're ultimately trying to do to so many student activists is chilling.
Students refuse to remain silent in the face of an ongoing genocide that's being literally live streamed on their phones. Genocide is the end point of unchecked authoritarian practices. It's what happens when dehumanizations become doctrine. And we can break this cycle by refusing the first lie that some people's lives matter less than others. Your advocacy did not only free me, your advocacy gave hope to an entire people. You proved that collective action works. The people will not be silent in the face of repression.